Alright, what up guys? So finally we are going to be picking up the vehicle. It's been such a long time. I will explain why it's taken so long later on, but right now we have to go get the rental car, drive to the dealership, pick up the vehicle, and come back. So without further ado, let's jump to the car. Let's get this thing, because I'm ready to finally just have everything set. So let's go. Sunglasses, cord, grab that. Our gas was what was it? 609.
How much was it? I'll do what?
It was $60
for half a tank.
For like half a tank. But I do just want to say, if you think gas is expensive here, go to Canada or go to some countries inside of Europe. Look at their gas prices first. I just want to mention that. Okay.
Someone to save. I want to tell you something new.
As you can see, there's a car right there. We have to actually run a quick errand, so I have to run back home, grab the Jeep. I'm actually going to be hopefully picking up a electric drum kit, which I'm very excited for. I haven't had one in a very long time. It's actually been like a couple years, so I'm actually really excited about that. Hopefully we can go pick this up real quick. And then we'll be back. We could talk more about this Mustang when we get back. But yeah, I'm excited for this thing. Let's go. Well, you gotta love LA traffic. It's a 11:24 on a Saturday. And this is all backed up. I don't even know what in the world everyone's doing. Thought this would be a quick little trip, but this is turning into a long endeavor. So, long story short, we got the drum kit. I'm excited about that. We're actually just gonna do an improv just visit to Universal. If you guys haven't seen, I have a theme park channel, me and Angelia. So we have a theme park channel that'll be linked down below for all of our theme park adventures. I'm excited about that. And also because we're going to be going to Disney for like a week, so all that content is going to be on that channel. But we're going to stop real quickly at Universal just to grab something to eat, because of we realized we're close enough and we get a discount, and plus there's free parking there because everywhere else seems to be kind of packed. So we're just going to stop there to get something to eat. So once we get back, then we'll go over everything with the Mustang. Yeah, I will say, I love taking the Jeep to Universal because we always park inside the oversized parking. There's like so many Jeeps. There's like a really cool FJ Cruiser that's right next to us as well. There's like so many lifted vehicles like all around us. But all right, I think we're gonna grab some food. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Hear me out, hear me out. All right, so yes, the vehicle is a Mustang. I will go more in depth, like the whole buying process and everything like that. In the next video, I'll do much more better cinematics and everything like that. But this is just kind of the first initial reveal. It is a Mustang, it's a 2017 Ford Mustang GT Convertible, and so far we've been really enjoying it. We've actually had the car now for a couple weeks, but the dealership that we worked with, I will never work with them again. There was some small issues that we needed to get addressed with the vehicle. The reason why it's been gone for a couple weeks, like when we first bought it, we had to bring it back. They had to fix a couple issues. The big thing was the infamous clip issue for like the bumper support that happens on these Mustangs, where they're like just a little bit too weak, so like the bumper sometimes will like sag. They just basically break. The dealership that we worked with, that was upon our agreement of when we purchased this vehicle that they would get that fixed. Yeah, they did. It actually looks great now, but that kind of plays into the reason why we did get this vehicle, because it was priced very, very well, and we got such a good trade-in for the Veloster N. It, like, the numbers made perfect sense. So yeah, I'm like really excited about that. I'll go into more in depth on the next video, kind of talking about that more. Oh my goodness, but I'm terribly backlit. You can't see me. Wow, that's that's kind of funny. I'll just walk over here though. So basically, this is the vehicle. It is here. I'm excited about it. And it's been a blast so far to drive. I have so many video ideas to do with this thing. We're gonna be doing a ton of different stuff. But this is kind of what I was meaning when I was saying it's an upgrade as far as performance. You're wrong, I know I'm gonna have some Veloster N people who are gonna say, no, you can do this and that. I get it. I'm talking about just stock, bone stock. Yes, I do know the new DCTs and the Veloster Ns, the fastest 0 to 60 front wheel drive car you can get. I forgot, the 0 to 60 is like 4 point, I think it was like 4.5 or something like that. It's in that range, but I get all that. The Veloster N is a great vehicle. We loved it. It's just time to move on to something different. I think the potential with this is much more, but also just as a quick daily, I think this, especially like out here, it really makes a fun daily. And I know what you're thinking, it's a convertible, which we both went back and forth with that. Honestly, the weather out here is so nice. It does make sense to have a convertible, even though like right now it's like really sunny, so we're not gonna have like the top down. But the same thing like with the Jeep, I take the top off like at night if we want to go for like a night cruise, or when it gets later in the afternoon. It is perfect for that, and this thing is perfect for that. We've done that a couple of times. Go up PCH. Here's the initial reveal. I have so many video ideas going for this thing, doing a lot of comparison videos to this, to the Challenger, to the Camaro, 0 to 60 test, out in the canyon, seeing what it can do. And the good thing about this vehicle, it is gray, it's silver, but this is like the first time Angelia is like totally on board with doing a lot of stuff to it. I know like for sure we're gonna change out the wheels. We want to get it wrapped and do a couple other things to it. Like she's totally like, yeah, she wants to like really like make this her own vehicle and just make it customize herself. And there's a couple things we want to do, so just coming up. So there's a lot of stuff that's going to be going. But I'm really excited though. Anytime there's something new on the channel, so many different ideas, so many different just things we can do, and we're both really excited about it. I hope you guys are excited about this too, because we're going to be doing a ton of stuff to this Mustang GT. And in the next video, I'm going to be talking to you guys more about reasons why we got this, stuff we were comparing, and that whole transaction and everything like that, a little bit more in depth. But I want to get this video out for you guys. So if you guys want to check out this video right here, this is going to be the last video we did inside the Veloster N, taking it out into the canyons, kind of the farewell send-off to the Veloster N. Check that out. See you in the next video. See ya.